on the Bering Sea. It's August 6, 2023. Out on the Bering Sea. And we had a storm yesterday, a wind event, not much wind. Piled up all the beach. We thought it might remove it all. It just seemed to be not as thick. But it's still a wind event today. And yeah, our tent had a tough time. Wind saved it. We have to vent the tent. The door has to be open and one side is completely up so that, you know, the air gets out. But it's getting better. It looks a little better. It's supposed to end today. And yeah, it's the Bering Sea. It's going to be tough to be on the Bering Sea or be on the gold train, on the Bering, on the Bering Sea. And, yeah.